We'll guide you through how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to find your recently watched videos on YouTube. Perhaps there's one specific one you want to go and rewatch as you found it entertaining, funny, or educational, or there's another reason for it, like going and sharing it with somebody else. What you can also do is you can go and remove it from your recently watched as well, as you may not want others to go and see it. And in fact, you can go and completely turn off your recently watched as well. So we're going to guide you through all of this in today's video. So for the first way, you can go to the bottom right and you can go and press the U button like so. And then in here, you're going to go and see your history just here. You can go and press view all to the right, and then here it is. So you can go and search for different things at the top, and you can then scroll down and go and see it here. And of course, you can go and tap on the videos to go and watch them again. If you want to go and remove one of these from here, you need to go over to the right. You can go and press the three lines, and you can go and press remove from watch history. And like that, it's then gone and removed. So that's the first way. And if you press the three dots in the top right, you can actually go and clear all of it, and you can go and pause it and manage it if needed as well. The other way you can do this is from this page is press the gear or cog icon in the top right. Then you want to go down and press your data in YouTube, and you want to go and scroll down, and you can go and find YouTube watch history, and you can go and scroll down and press manage your YouTube watch history. You can scroll down here and go and see what you've gone and searched, and also what you've gone and watched as well, so you can see your history a bit more in depth here. Once again, if you want to go and delete anything, just press the cross to the right. You can also go and press delete to the right as well and delete different things. And what you can do is you can go and press where it says saving your YouTube watch history, and you can go and completely go and turn this off if you wish as well, and then it won't go and be saved anymore. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to go and see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Hopefully with the help of this guide, you've managed to go and find your recently watched videos on YouTube and your history, and amongst other things as well. And if there's anything specific, leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to go and make it. If you've got any questions, put them down below, and hopefully myself or someone else will be able to go and help you with it. I look forward to help you again in the next one.